Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So let's discuss first what is the definition of equity. So in finance, equity is ownership of assets that may have debts or other liabilities attached to them. Equity is measured for accounting purposes by subtracting liabilities from the value of assets. So we can simply say equity stocks in stock market as different stocks like that SBI Life, BPCL, IOC, ITC. So the company which is getted into the IPO, initial public offering, and listed in the stock market is known as equity. So this stock can be traded in futures, in options, and also in cash. So most of the people trade equity in the cash segment. So let's discuss what is equity really means. So equity represents the value that would be returned to a company's shareholders if all of the assets were liquidated and all of the company's debt were paid off. The calculation of equity is a company's total assets minus its total liabilities and is used in several key financial ratios such as ROE, return on earnings. So as I said earlier, the equity represents the value that would be returned to a company shareholders if the assets were liquidated. So do you know guys that when will a company share price will increase or decrease? So according to technical analysis of fundamental, we can know that a equity company share increases when its uh, profit per earnings and also quarterly earnings and annual returns and the return on investment and its assets in returns, and by including all this in technical analysis we can know that the company share price will increase or decrease. So simply the equity is a stock which is listed in stock market and which is traded in cash segment is known as equity. If you trade that stock in options like call option or put option, or in futures like November future, October future, like that, then it gonna convert into a futures and options. But when you put money and when you trade in cash like making limit order and market order, then it going to be a equity one. So the equity example is, first one is common stock. We have different common stock, and second one is preferred stock. As we see in technical analysis, fundamental or price action, we prefer a stock that has a good momentum to break out or gonna grow in upcoming quarterly results. And also third one is additional paid in capital. So the capital of the equity stock, like we have the company BPCL, Bharat Petroleum, and we see the total company's assets and its capital. It would be like example 16,000 crores company or 20,000 crore company. So the total assets that had in the company name BPCL and the total liabilities that it gonna give, like the asset is whenever they sell petrol they get 0.5 in the rupee, they get in the rupee they make in that selling of petrol in petrol bunks or like that. And also the liabilities is the workers in petrol bunks take money like monthly earnings and the managers and the different charges and like that, those are liabilities, and the money they get from their investment is called assets. So the assets earnings versus liabilities money flow through. So when we remove liabilities from the assets, then we get the earning statement and the profit per earnings. And so the fourth one is treasury stock. We can also have different treasury stocks. And fifth one is retained earnings. A company has earnings in annual or quarterly. And sixth is accumulated other comprehensive income or loss, like when a company is going to invest in something, and if that investment is a success and the other company also grows, and the first company is also grows which is invested in that company, and if this investment is a lose, then this is also going to lose some money, and also it's gonna lose some share price. So this is the example of equity, and this is what equity means. So the in simple, the equity segment in cash market can be defined as which is traded by cash, like limit order, market order, and intraday or swing or long term or short term. So this is what equity means. So thank you for watching this, guys. If you like this video, please do smash the like button and comment what you liked, and please share it to your friends and family who are interested in stock market and want to know how to trade and how to learn it. And also don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more notifications from this YouTube channel of investors and traders. And once again, thanks for watching this. Keep investing and trading.